Hey guys, this is Vanessa from the Pudgy Rabbit, and today I'm going to show you how to do a magic knot. This is a great way to connect your ends of yarn together without having to weave anything in, and it creates a less bulky knot. So let's get started. So here I have the two yarn ends that I want to connect, my working yarn and the new yarn color I'm going to switch to. I'm going to take my working yarn and tie a loose knot around my new yarn color several inches from the tail end. Just like that. Now I'm going to take the tail end of my new yarn color and tie a loose knot around my working yarn. Now there's my second knot, and your yarn should look like this right now. Then I'm going to tighten both knots. And then pull on each end of the yarn until the knots come together. Pull the knots together as tight as you can without breaking your yarn. And it'll look like this. And then you can use scissors to trim off those tail ends as close as you can get to the knot. And that's how you do a magic knot. I hope you guys found this helpful, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment on what other tutorials you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.